All right, it's been a while, but we're headed to Typhoon Lagoon. We just got here and it is raining on us. Not fun. All right, so the rain's holding off now. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. I think the last time we were here was for Moonlight Magic. I think that was in May of 2018. Tuck in your cargo, everybody. You hear that? Hold on tight, because here we go. All right, so I haven't been on this one, Misadventure Falls. So this one's new to me, because the last couple times that we came, I don't think I went on anything. In the lazy river, and it's kind of starting to rain a little hard. That's okay. Epic fail. Epic fail. That's cold. That was a little chilly. We have pretty sky, scary sky. So my tip is to get these little pouches. We got these Johto carriers off of Amazon to hold our phones. You can put your money and your cards in it. Girl was getting us wet. She's having fun.
Oh my God! Wasn't there any like crazy hiding?
What did you do?
Oh my God! I scratched her with my toenail.
Put that in slow motion.
Okay, done with the lazy river. It's a little chilly. Sun's not out. It's still kind of sprinkling, and it's a little chilly. We're gonna go back on Misadventure Falls because Sam is here now. And then we're gonna do, what are we gonna do? Crush and Gusher. It's raining kind of hard now.
It's coming down even harder now.
I know, now it's coming down even harder.
Oh no.
We're standing in line for Misadventure Falls again. It's pouring rain. now you can feel the cold rain landing on you because this water's warm.
See, that's where it was leading. Yes, I'm ready for this. I'm ready.
Is so cold.
It's kind of breezy up here too.
Oh, no, the green line going down.
Pretty fun in the rain. We are going to head on over to the wave pool and get warm. Oh, there they are. I hear waves down there. No waves yet. This is going to be crazy when there's waves because there are so many people in here. Oh, here it comes! Alright, everybody's gonna have to get out. We just heard real thunder. It's fun while it lasted, but now the real lightning and thunder starts. So it's
Back open in 15.
no longer raining. But what?
That's back open in 15.
Oh.
Wait. Yeah. Back open in 15, I believe.
Back open in 15, but we battled the rain. And yeah, we had fun. But we decided that that was going to be the end of our day today because there's like nowhere to sit and eat and everything because it's like super crowded in all the covered places and everything because people were dodging the rain. So we're gonna just go eat our lunch somewhere else and that will be the end of our Typhoon Lagoon day.